what is topology optimization, Swami?
Okay, so basically, as we all know that if you are a good engineer, right? So it's basically about like you have to make your design which is much more cost effective, which is much more efficient. Okay, and that can withstand all the the forces, the stresses that are in the surroundings. So it's basically about optimizing the geometry. It's basically about making design iterations one by one. So let's say you have first built the mouse. So actually I'm going to show you something. So here you can see this is a part of the topology optimization. Okay, so this you can see over here that this is the mouse. Okay, and it is basically topology optimized. So this, I won't say this is a 3D printed mouse, but it's a mouse over there. So it's basically it's handling all the pressure. So basically you keep it like this, right? And after that, when you are putting your hands, so basically the force is pushing it downwards. So if it is pushing it downward, it is going to withstand that force of my hand over there. So also you can see this is hollow from inside. So this is like very much lightweight. So this is like what happens in the industries also. Also you might have seen various hypercars in the domain as well. So those hypercars, what they used to do is they instead of compromising with the power, they simply go with the reducing the weight of it. Okay, so that's the point of the topology optimization over there.